Hello Linda, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this makeup look right here for Valentine's Day, and you can easily switch up the look by adding a red lip color if you're going for a bold look. So I've already done one side because I was playing with the eyeshadows and I didn't really know exactly what I was doing. So first things first, I'm going to be prepping my eyes using my concealer. Then I'm going to be taking a tape and starting from the outer corner of my eyes, I'm going straight towards where my eyebrows end. It's gonna take a couple of tries, don't you worry, because even I was struggling to make sure that both the sides looked even. Then taking a brown eyeliner, I'm gonna be applying it only on my outer corners like so, and then start smudging it right away using a pencil brush. Once the liner is smudged, I'm going to be using this dark brown eyeshadow from the e.l.f. palette, and I'm going to be further smoking out and smudging out the brown eyeliner even more. Then taking the lighter brown shade from the same palette, I'm going to be using that to further smoke out that dark brown eyeshadow because I do not want any sort of harsh lines. I want all the colors mixing in well seamlessly. Taking that same shade on a fluffy brush, I'm also going to be applying it on my crease. I want a little bit of definition on my crease, and that's why I'm doing this step. This eyeshadow look is so easy. It's only going to take you 15 minutes to get ready this Valentine's Day, and I promise you guys. Moving along, I'm going to be taking this shimmery coppery eyeshadow and I'm going to be placing it exactly where the darker brown and the lighter brown eyeshadow meets. That's where I'm going to be placing this eyeshadow. Once I'm happy with the placement of that shimmery eyeshadow, I'm going to be dipping into that dark brown eyeshadow again and further intensifying that dark brown shade on my outer corner. Then taking a champagne eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying it all over my eyelid, and I'm using my fingers to do this because shimmers apply best with your fingers. Now comes the most satisfying part, which is peeling the tape off. That is so satisfying. Then I'm going to be lightly coating my lashes with a layer of mascara, and then I'm going to be using these false lashes. I didn't feel like going the full blown way using a full lash strip, so I decided to cut the lashes off and apply it only on my outer corners. Moving to our base, I'm going to be using this pore filling primer by Nykaa. This will give me an even canvas to work on. Moving to foundation, I'm going to be using my favorite Physicians Formula foundation and applying a very light layer of it all over my face. I wanted my base to look as natural as possible, so I'm going in with very light layers. So for concealer, I'm going to be using this one by Lakme. I have been really enjoying this concealer, by the way, and I'm going to be using that to cancel out any darkness, and then I'm going to be using a lighter shade of concealer and highlighting the centers of my face and also on my under eyes. In case if you guys are wondering, I'm going to be mentioning all the products that I used in this video down in the description box below, so don't you worry, I've got you. I really love the way the eyes have turned out. I mean, even right now while editing it, I cannot stop looking at my eyes and love how the way that it looks so soft and looks so defined at the same time. Then I'm going to be using this contouring stick by Sephora, which I've spoken about a million times already, and I'm going to be contouring / adding some definition to my face. I'm also going to be hiding my double chin because you can see I need it. And then for blush, I'm going to be using this one by Ilana, and oh my god you guys, I am obsessed. I also did a shot on this in case if you guys want to see a mini review on it, and I love these blushes. Then I'm going to be lightly setting my concealer in place. I'm not going to be applying this powder all over my face, only on the areas where I applied the concealer. So now I'm using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer to set my cream contour in place. I'm also going to be contouring my pagoda nose, and I don't know about you, but I feel like I'm slightly getting better at nose contouring. Okay, so next up I'm going to be using this highlighter by Swiss Beauty. I am obsessed with this highlighter. It's so good. You need to check out this highlighter. So moving on, I'm going to be finishing my eyes using the light brown eyeshadow, and I'm just running it across my lower lash line. Then I'm going to be applying some mascara to my lower lashes. The eyes are basically done. So my first lip option, I'm going to be going in with the nude lip liner, and I'm going to be using the same blush that I used on my cheeks as my lip color. So this makeup look is perfect if you don't want to look like you've done too much mehnat doing your makeup this Valentine's Day. Next lip option is obviously going in with red lip color. I'm using a red lip liner by Inside, and then I'm going to be using this lipstick by Sugar Cosmetics and filling it in. And there you go, that is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know if you guys like the softer version or the bold red lip version. So with that, you guys, I'm gonna take a leave and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye, Linda.